Hey guys, look at these play-doh surprises. They are so bright and I love this yellow color. Would you like to open it? Okay, who is inside? And inside is a Princess Peach Toadstool. She is the ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom. She loves pink color and almost all her dresses are pink. Look at her long yellow hair and gold crown on it. Who is hiding in this violet surprise? And inside is a little pony. And her name is Rarity. Rarity works as a fashion designer and as a seamstress at her own shop in Ponyville. Rarity, you're so beautiful. You have such big dark eyes. And I love the color of your hair. Let's now open this pink surprise. And who is inside? And inside is a Lalaloopsy girl, and her name is Pinkie Flutters. She's a light brown skinned girl with pink pale cheeks and black button eyes. Her hair are green colored and worn up in strands like a ponytail or bun. She really loves flowers. Let's now open this green surprise. Oh, who is that? Do you know this character? I'm not sure I know. If you know, guys, please write it down in the comments below. I'm sorry, Lalaloopsy. Made big mess, sorry. Let's now open this pink surprise, and inside is a monster, and this is Mr. Sylvian. Mr. James Sylvian. He's the best friend of Mike Wazowski. Oh, and he's not as angry as it seems to be. Hi, Mr. Silver. He is very kind, actually. We had the last surprise to open, and oh, I know, here is a Peppa Pig. Oh, Pepper, look at your flower helmet. Are you going to drive a bike? It's look like. Where is Suzy? I know you love to drive bike with Suzy. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.